Today we're gonna do the Coke and Mentos, and we don't know if it will work. Grant has Mike and Ike's, and we went to the store. We bought some stuff, including the Mentos and the Coke.
Yeah, and we go to Wendy's.
We have the Coca-Cola ready. We're opening it so we can put stuff in.
Come. You got some Mentos. You got some Mentos.
Roman!
No, don't drink all of it.
Let me drink some.
I'm not drinking all
Let me drink some.
I'm going to drink some.
Bro, stop!
You're going to drink too much. I'll drink one. You're going to throw up? Throw us on.
Alright, put it down.
Let me drink some. I'll drink one bit. Can you hold this?
Why?
Can I drink one bit?
Everyone back up.
Wait,
Can that fit?
Throw it on.
Oh, put it in. Push it in. Push it in.
Go.
Push it in.
Go.
Oh! It actually did it.
Oh. Oh my God. Yeah.
Don't think you.
Wait, what if we do it again?
I mean, we can, but like. Okay.
It actually tastes as good.
Wait, can I have some?
Yeah. That's right. It actually tastes as good. Yeah. It tastes as good.
The carbonation's out.
I'm gonna put this in there.
That'll do nothing.
I'm gonna put it in.
What if it just explodes? Oh, you might want to stand back if that happens.
Nothing. Wait, it did do something.
No.
Yeah, it actually did.
That was the Mentos that's still in there.
Hold on, where'd the cap go?
The Mentos.
Hold on, where'd the cap go?
The Mentos is still in there.
But don't touch it, don't touch
Floating
it.
and stuff.
Where'd the cap go?
Is it in your hand?
Guys, where'd the cap go?
Guys, let me drink
Oh,
some.
the cap. Hold on, guys, watch out. No, watch out.
Wait.
Let's shake it now. Shake it.
Shake it.
That's
Then hit it against the floor on the cap.
Oh,
Yeah.
do like a rocket.
Is this
Throw it in the
still
air.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
No, throw it on the cap.
Throw it in the air.
Hold on. I need to shake it up.
Throw it in the air super high.
Oh, that's bad.
I could try. Let me throw it in here.
Hold on.
No. You have to throw it on the tap and make it explode.
Oh, I could try.
Wait, try it on the rocks back there.
Oh, hold on. Yeah.
Oh!
Throw a tap on this rock. Oh, what?
Hold on, let me try again.
Wait, did it stop? No. Yes, we...
Did you hear that?
Yeah. That's a
Well, I know we should have gotten another one. That's why I said we should have gotten Diet Coke. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys, and
Hold on. Bang it.
bang it onto the rock super hard. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and bye.